everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and fix your this template isn't available in Capcut problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you are encountering that kind of problem, one thing that you can make sure is go ahead, open your app gallery of your mobile phone or your Play Store and go ahead, search Capcut and check if your app is updated or not. You can see it shows open options to update, and that means my app is updated. So even if it might seem a minor issue, but it is needed, update is needed for your app to function properly. If this is not the case, if you're simply not being able to find that Capcut folder everybody else is using, then what you can do is go to again your app gallery or Play Store and download a VPN app in your mobile phone, and you can go ahead, install the option, and you can change the country of your Capcut for that app there, and then you can access some of the needed Capcut templates. Other than that, if this is the only way, guys, you'll have to have a VPN, agree and continue, and simply go ahead, change your location of your mobile phone, change the country, and then you will be able to access the Capcut templates. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.